Hello, welcome to my Chinese learning video. I'm Amy. Let's begin with some basics so that you can start the conversation in Chinese right away. How do you say hello in Chinese? We say 你好. 你好. 你 means you. 好 means good. Literally, it means you good. This is a Chinese way to say hello. 你好. And to respond back, it's simple. It's the same. 你好. Hello, I'm Amy. 你好，我是 Amy. 我 means I or me. 是 means to be. Or you can say 我叫 Amy. 叫 means to be called. I'm called Amy. 我叫 Amy. So you can also use the same structure to talk about your occupation. For example, I'm a teacher. 我是老师. 我是老师. After introducing yourself, you can ask the other person, what is your name? 你叫什么名字? 你叫什么名字? 你, as we mentioned before, it means you. 叫, as we also mentioned before, is to be called. 什么 is a question word for what. 名字 means name. Or simply you can say 你叫什么? 你叫什么? Because 叫, as we said, it means to be called, so we can omit the word name here. 你叫什么? Let's say your name is Yuval. To answer this question, you may say, for example, Hello, I'm Yuval. I'm a student. 你好，我是 Yuval. 我是学生。你好，我是 Yuval. 我是学生。So here 学生 means student. 学生. So for example, when you're having this conversation, there's someone walking past you. So you may ask, who is he? In Chinese, the sentence order is reversed. We say he is who. 他是谁? 他是谁? 他 refers to third person singular. So we have two ways of writing 他 depending on whether it's he or she. So if it's a third person plural, we say 他们. 他们. 谁 is a question word for who. 谁. So if you want to ask who is he, 他是谁? Or who are they? 他们是谁? So you can reply, he is Leo. 他是 Leo. 他是 Leo. After the first introduction, when it comes to the end of the conversation, you may say, very happy to know you. 很高兴认识你. 很高兴认识你. 很 means very. 高兴 means happy. 认识 to know. 你 as we mentioned before, means you. 很高兴认识你. And then the other person will reply, I'm very happy to know you too. 我也很高兴认识你. 我也很高兴认识你. 也 means also or too. 我也很高兴认识你. So at last, you want to end the conversation by saying goodbye. How do you say goodbye in Chinese? We say 再见. 再见. 再 means again. 见 means to see. So literally it means to see you again. So let's repeat what we have learned today. 你好，我是 Amy，我是老师。你叫什么？你好，我是 Yuval，我是学生。他是谁？他是 Leo。很高兴认识你。我也很高兴认识你。再见，再见。